at a circus and go.
Hello and welcome to the wonderful, fantastical circus. As you can see, there are some freaks in the back. Don't pay attention to them. That's not important right now. What is important is the freaks in the back. Look at them.
Oh, they're supposed to scare me.
That's some sort of seal.
Seal?
I think it's dying. I'm so sorry.
Yeah, in my mother country, I used to eat seal for dinner.
I'm glad you're going home with the chicken.
Yes.
I told you to lock up the dolphin, Jim.
I don't like dolphins.
It's a mutual thing. It's just.
Okay, can you show me a trick?
I don't do anything. I'm just the MC. Everything is up to the people in the actual show.
Okay, show me around. Show me a good show.
Okay, so now there's the guy that does the fire thing.
Oh yeah.
And then there's the girl with the beard. If they touch the girl with the beard, if they touch, it's not gonna be a pretty show at all.
Alright, let's carry on.
Now, I don't know what that sound was, but it sounds a little bit. Excuse me.
Let's go.
Alright. Alright, let me just.
This kind of noise is scary.
Don't move.
There's something like
a
my horse.
Okay, if we move away slowly.
Should I stop breathing?
Nay. Okay, that means the horse is calm now. When it's just we stop. Alright. Do you like birds? Do you like birds?
I like chicken.
Then you're not gonna like this giant bird.
Okay.
We're gonna go away
Right,
from
let's
it.
go home.
Okay.